Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In today's video, we have a listing that I'm actually selling with my wife. It's 6331 South Elizabeth Street in Chicago, south side of Chicago. That's like 63rd and Racine. This building is absolutely amazing, and it's for a couple of reasons, which we'll talk about when we go inside. First of all, let me show you how large the 4-unit property is, okay? So the most recent unit, okay, was rehabbed this year. Okay, this past year. I want you to get an idea of how large and how long the building is because it's humongous. The first half of the building, and you'll see a door come up over here soon enough, but from here all the way to that door, these are 3 bedrooms. Okay, there's 2 of them. So 3-bedroom number 1, and then we got 3-bedroom number 2. As we come this way, you will see that there is a basement. The basement is separated into 2 areas. One of them has a laundry room and the other one is for mechanicals, okay? But coming this way, we have unit number, what is that? Rear 1R, 1 rear, and then 2R, okay? What you're gonna see in this video is you're gonna see that unit all the way on the top that was most recently rehabbed. The other units are rehabbed as well, but that one again is the most recent rehab. Now, if we come this way, you will see the back of the building along with the little small yard that it has. But the reason why the yard is so small is because the units are just, you know, they're large. So we have 2-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and then we have 3-bedroom, 3-bedroom. And then down here, you'll see later on in the video, there is a laundry area. So without further ado, let's go inside and take a look. All right, guys, let's get the property tour started. Wow, 6331 Elizabeth, okay? We're looking at the corner of just about Racine and 63rd Street, okay? This is the living room, okay? Beautiful sized living room. Take a look at the nice LED signs. The one thing I want to point out here, besides the can lighting and that beautiful that LED chandelier, that crystallized LED chandelier, is they didn't have to do all this. You know what I mean? But they wanted to give you guys a nice product, okay? This is a beautiful ceiling. Now, here's what I have to point out. Right now, if you were to rent this unit, a 2-bedroom, you would pay about $1,700 market rent for this. Can you get more? Sure, depending on how you establish your rental, okay? But $1,700 for this 2-bedroom. The 3-bedrooms can go $18,000. There are 2 2-bedrooms and there's 2 3-bedrooms. $1,800. That's about $7,000 in rental income. Now, ask me how much the mortgage is. Oh, it's $3,800. If the mortgage was 25% down, that's the big caveat, because when you have a 4-unit, if you do like a DSCR loan where they require you to do 25% down, they'll ask you, or they'll ask you for 25% down. That's how you get the mortgage payment that low. Okay. Now check this out. Bedroom number 1. Beautiful bedroom. You can put a full-size bed in here and you're going to be fine. Twin-size bed if you want to save some space. And then over here, there's enough room for a closet, right? So let's go this way. Okay, that was bedroom number 1. We are going to go into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is even bigger than bedroom number 1. And I don't know if you saw it when I walked in, but take a look at this guy right here. Again, they didn't have to do all that with the ceiling, but because they want to give people a good product, this builder specifically wants things fancy. Take a look at this. Now you're saying, Antonio, I saw when you walked in the room, there was a big old door in the corner. Yes, there is. Here's your walk-in closet. Or is it your office? Look, check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I'm not a small dude, okay? Let me see. Take a couple steps back, camera lady. Let me show the people. Look at the frame. Look at the frame. See that? Look, that's how big the door is, okay? You come in here, either it's your walk-in closet, or maybe this is the closet, right? And don't get it twisted. I know you don't see nothing up here. The builder does have a shelving system that'll go up before the property is sold, I believe, okay? But it's nice. It's nice. Now there's a kitchen and a bathroom left to show you. And this is just one of 4 units, okay? We'll show you the bathroom first. Check this out. You know I'm gonna do it. Yep, I can confirm the water is wet. The water is wet. Now, I'm gonna step in the shower. We have our shower phone here in case you gotta dial 911. Yes, everyone wants to buy the building I just bought because it's amazing. See? Then you can hang up. I don't want it. See? Look how tall this is, okay? Look how tall the ceiling is. They didn't have to go that high. They didn't. But you know what? I'm glad they did because it's beautiful. Even the selection of the mirror, the gold here, you have the warm lighting there. That's a beautiful fixture, by the way. I have to give this guy a compliment. And can we get a minute here to appreciate this sink? Glass sink. And then look at this. This is the, oh yeah, let me turn on the water so you guys can see that. Look at that, look at that. And then we have a first, Antonio the Realtor first. We have a square toilet, everybody. A square toilet, ooh. Ah, fantastic, okay? And then in here, just so you know, ours like mechanical. So we're gonna go in the kitchen now. I know you guys have been waiting for the kitchen. Check out the kitchen. Okay, we'll point out a couple of things here, okay? We have this beautiful ceiling. They didn't have to do all this again with the ceiling, but they made it extra special. They splurged. It is nice. It's nice, nice, okay? Beautiful blue cabinets, okay? They even have that function where they don't slam. You just go like that, and then they're very quiet, okay? Over here, I believe this is quartz, okay? It's a quartz countertop. Powerful. Okay, very nice. Okay, these lights underneath the cabinets, they didn't have to do, but they did it anyway. Super nice. You have one of the fancy stoves where you don't burn yourself with the flame. Okay, I do like it. Put it in the comments. But Antonio, that's called a blah blah blah. Just do it. I know you guys are going to say it anyway. Okay, and then the flooring in here, super nice as well. New refrigerator. And they were smart enough to put in an Arm & Hammer in there to keep it from being stinky. But it's new, so how would it get stinky anyway? So guys, 6331 Elizabeth in Chicago, okay? A 4 unit. This is one of 4 units that we're in right now. There is a laundry that we're gonna take you to right now. So let's go to the laundry room, come on. As promised, the laundry room, okay? We have a little area, believe it or not, right here, just to chill. Just in case the laundry becomes too much for us and we just need a moment to relax. And I like the vibe here. They got the whiskey with the cigar. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. But now, I did promise laundry, and here's the laundry room, okay? We have coin-operated laundry, okay, so that your tenants can, of course, they don't have to drive to the laundromat. They got the laundromat right here, okay? Washer and dryer. We have a little bit of artwork over here making it a nice positive vibe. And then there are tenants living here now, and this place isn't a mess, you know? Check this out. Beautiful countertop right here so that you can fold your clothes. And I'm sure, you know, these things are empty, you know? Totally, totally empty. Except for the stuff that I put in here. I put a bag in here, but that's that. But yeah, so this is the laundry room. I wanted to show you guys. And we'll see you guys outside for final thoughts. 3 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, laundry, mechanicals.